Hey guys, thanks for your interest in our Stone Coat Countertop Flooring Epoxy. Contractors and do-it-yourselfers love our flooring epoxy for many reasons, but most of all, it's really easy to apply. You simply add our metallic enhancer. Our metallic powder makes a normal concrete floor go from concrete to a showroom, and it's really simple. You apply it, you roll out your design, you walk away, and that design, because of the consistency of our materials, will move and it'll flow and it becomes something that looks natural and beautiful. Just check out those flooring videos and our training on how to apply this and you'll be amazed too. This 1.5 gallon kit will do a full 100 square feet per 1.5 gallons. That includes your prime coat. It's self-priming. You use the same material to prime as you do to top coat. You just apply it thinner on those prime coats. It also comes with the right amount of metallic powder, so there's no guessing. If you want a bigger project done, we also sell this in 15-gallon kits that comes in 5-gallon pails. That's also convenient for the contractor doing large projects. If you have any questions on how to apply our flooring epoxy or how to install or those big project estimates, give us a call. We're happy to walk you through anything that you need. Thanks again for checking out our Stone Coat Countertop Floor Epoxy, and until then, you got this.